Corrective actions are essential for addressing nonconformities and preventing recurrence. A well-structured corrective action process ensures that organizations identify the root cause, implement solutions, and verify effectiveness. In this lesson, we'll cover 1. What is a corrective action? 2. The corrective action process, key steps. 3. Best practices for implementing and monitoring corrective actions. By following these steps, organizations can strengthen compliance, reduce risks, and improve overall performance. 1. What is a corrective action? A corrective action is a structured response to eliminate the root cause of a nonconformity. Unlike temporary fixes, corrective actions address the underlying issue to prevent recurrence. Why are corrective actions important? Ensure compliance with ISO 9001, IATF 16949, ISO 3485, and other standards. Improve process efficiency and product quality. Reduce risks, waste, and operational costs. Build customer trust and regulatory confidence. 2. The corrective action process, key steps. Step 1. Identify and document the problem. Clearly describe the issue, e.g., defect, nonconformity, or process failure. Collect evidence from audit reports, customer complaints, and quality checks. Step 2. Conduct root cause analysis. Use 5 whys or fishbone diagram to find why the problem occurred. Identify systemic issues rather than treating symptoms. Step 3. Develop a corrective action plan. A strong corrective action plan includes action steps, specific tasks to fix the root cause, responsible person, who will implement the changes, timeline, deadlines for completion, verification method, how effectiveness will be checked. Step 4. Implement the corrective action. Assign roles and responsibilities to the right personnel. Communicate the plan clearly across departments. Provide training if necessary to prevent future mistakes. Step 5. Monitor and verify effectiveness. Conduct follow-up audits to ensure corrective actions are working. Track KPIs, key performance indicators, such as reduction in defects, improved compliance, or cost savings. If the problem persists, reevaluate the corrective action plan. 3. Best practices for implementing and monitoring corrective actions. Involve cross-functional teams. Ensure quality, operations, and management teams collaborate on corrective actions. Use a corrective action tracking system. Document problems, actions, and verification status in a structured log. Ensure timely execution. Set clear deadlines and assign accountability. Validate effectiveness. If an action does not eliminate the root cause, revise the strategy. Focus on prevention. Shift from reactive fixes to proactive improvements. Key takeaways. Corrective actions eliminate the root cause of a problem rather than just fixing symptoms. The 5-step process includes identification, root cause analysis, planning, implementation, and verification. Monitoring and follow-up audits ensure corrective actions prevent recurrence. Best practices, like using a tracking system and involving cross-functional teams, improve effectiveness. By implementing effective corrective actions, organizations can enhance quality, compliance, and operational efficiency. In the next lesson, we'll explore preventive actions (PA) and how they differ from corrective actions.